Passing the PMP exam on your first attempt may appear to be challenging, but with a proper plan, you can accomplish it. Whether you are new to PMP training or preparing for the exam, an effective study strategy will assist you in achieving success. In this blog, we will be sharing expert advice, study hacks, and information regarding the beneficial PMP exam to make you feel at ease. Let's begin. 1. Familiarize yourself with the PMP exam format. It is essential to know how the PMP exam is conducted before studying. It consists of 180 multiple-choice questions and includes 5 major categories: starting the project, initiating, planning the project. 2. Learn PMP course topics. To pass the PMP exam, you must know its key topics, which are derived from the PMBOK, Project Management Body of Knowledge, Guide. Key areas are managing project steps from beginning to end, monitoring time, cost, and quality. 3. Enroll in a good PMP training program. One of the best methods to clear the exam is by enrolling in a PMP training course. These courses provide you with a step-by-step plan and advice from professionals. At iCertGlobal, we provide online PMP training that is convenient for you. Our training consists of step-by-step preparation for the PMP exam, practice exams and study groups. 4. Create a study plan and stay focused. Study for the PMP exam is time and labor intensive. Having a quality study plan in place will assist you in remaining on course. Here's what to do. Take a practice test. Determine what subjects you must review. Set study goals. Study one subject at a time. 5. Practice with mock exams. Practice tests are one of the best practices for preparation. Practice tests assist you in understanding the exam structure, improving your time management. 6. Employ smart study skills. Preparing for the PMP exam is more than just studying books. Take a shot with these study shortcuts. Quiz yourself using flashcards. Use spaced repetition. Study difficult topics at regular intervals rather than cramming. 7. Stay calm and focused on exam day. On the day of the exam, use these tips to remain confident. Get a good night's sleep. Don't cram at the last minute. Arrive early. Regardless of whether you take the test online or in person, arrive on time. Conclusion: with the right strategy, passing the PMP exam on your first try is possible. iCertGlobal offers online and in-person PMP training, complete with study materials and mock exams. Want to take the next step? Check out our webinars, study resources, and training programs to get fully prepared. With expert guidance, you'll be on your way to earning your PMP certification.